Assalamu alaikum. Here is Rizwana, and today we are going to learn about the phonic sounds of I. This is the fifth and last video of the vowel sounds. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to it, press the bell icon and click on all option so that you may find the notifications of all my upcoming videos. So, let's start our today's video. That is about the phonic sounds of I. Each vowel letter of English uses 3 or 4 different vowel sounds. But there is something unique about the letter I. It shares its sounds with the letter Y. They are sort of like twins. Whenever the letter is acting as a vowel, it uses the same sounds as I. There are 3 basic sounds of the English letter I: long I too in old style, and short vowel sound. Long vowel sound of I. Long vowel sound of I is the normal long vowel sound for I because it is the same as the name of the letter I. Some common words with this sound are like, right, time, line, right, kind, while, life, side, five, eyes, sign, child, try, item, my, why, type, style, rhyme, cycle, deny, apply, rely. The second long sound that the letter I or Y uses is the old style, long I. It is the sound that the letter I used hundreds of years ago before the English vowels made the shift. Here are some examples of phonic sounds of I as long vowel sound of I. A few words with the letter I retain the old sound, which is the same as a long E sound today. Here are some examples: ski, chick, police, machine, tangerine, mobile, souvenir, antique, magazine, unique, many, only, funny, baby, lady, very. The short vowel sounds of I. Short I is pronounced in the front upper part of the mouth, and it is very important to relax the tongue to avoid confusion with the long E sound. See this or this. There are quite a few frequently used words with the short I sound, so it is important to learn to relax the tongue well. Some examples of short vowel sounds of I are with, 6, which, if, give, think, big, list, inch, spring, quick, sing, myth, give, gym, cyst, Linux, system, rhythm, symbol. Words covered in short I in frequent words: is, it, its, his, him, will, did, still. Words covered in the this or these: this, bit, chip, itch, fill, hit, lip, living, sit, sick. In addition to the basic long and short vowel sounds, any vowel letter can also use the schwa sounds. This happens in weak or unstressed syllables, especially in a syllable that is an adjacent to the strongest syllable of a word. Here are some examples of schwa sounds. The letter I or Y is an unstressed syllable. Pencil, decimal, practice, office, chemical, flexible, dactyl. This is all about today's video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share it with others. Hopefully you have learned the phonic sounds of I. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.